little video update on the flooding in Hillsdale Lake, Hillsdale State Park. Last time I showed you this, the water was just at the pedestal. As you can see, it's a good 25-30 feet into the campsite. If you guys remember Happy Place Camping's video, this is where they camped when they came down. As you can see, they have closed several campsites here at this park. This too happened to be on the interior, what they call it, the interior ring, but they've closed these two down due to the Corps of Engineers saying that the lake is going to rise another 2 foot. This is where our dumpster normally sits. As you can see, it's completely underwater. They moved it up by the bathhouse. You can just see how close the water is to the road. Site 67 and 68. 68 being one of our favorite spots. It's probably the biggest spot here. When the water's down, the backyard goes all the way back to the trees. And as you can see, it is completely underwater. I can usually get back Black Pearl back to the pedestal is about halfway on the rig. So just let you know how high the waters came up in the last few days. All the waterfront lots, as I call them, officially got closed today. These spots were all reserved for Memorial Day weekend. So Sherry had to call all the folks and give them the bad news that their reservations were canceled and refund their money. The geese and their babies sure do love the flooding. They're about the only ones that's going to enjoy this weekend, I believe. Some of the low temperatures are in the 40s, high in the 60s. Not typical weather for Memorial Day.